I don't want to call Anand Ranganathan hypocrite for the simple reason I'm still waiting. Did he not call the Hathras a political tourism? Do you remember what did he say that? Did you call a photo op opportunity when the political leaders were going and meeting them? I don't remember. I don't ever remember that Anand Ranganathan has ever said the Prime Minister should answer why Prime Minister did not go to Manipur. Why?
That's because you are ignorant. Don't just make such allegations. Navika knows that on Navika's show I have said this. Tehseen, can you please corroborate this?
Did I disturb you?
Let Tehseen corroborate this. Tehseen, have I not said on day one that Narendra Modi should have gone to Manipur? Tehseen, over to you.
No, well,
Tehseen, over to
no, you didn't, Ashutosh, but in this case, you have named him and he has the right to defend himself. Tehseen, you were on the show when we debated Manipur. I don't know if Ashutosh was there.
What is, I don't know why, what is bugging him? I haven't even started
bugging? You are just making slanderous allegations against me.
I haven't started telling the truth.
No, why are you lying?
Anand, don't get upset. Don't get upset.
Navika, this is outrageous. This man just said that I did not say that I stayed silent. In fact, he said.
Anand, you can't heckle me like this. You can't heckle me like this.
Don't take my name then. Say what you have to say.
I have to. I have to.
Then don't lie.
I have to. I have to.
That's why I respectfully asked Tehseen to come in and rebut you.
I have to.
Tehseen,
I have
can
to.
you please do this?
I have to.
Please do this.
Okay, all right. You know, you have directly charged Anand Ranganathan. Anand Ranganathan has asked Tehseen to clarify. Tehseen, would you want to clarify?
Yes, Anand said it on your show as well as on the podcast we did with Smita Prakash. He did say this.
Thank you.
What did he say?
That the Prime Minister is duty bound to go to Manipur and Prime Minister has is
well, so Ashutosh, your charges of hypocrisy fall flat. Your charges of hypocrisy fall flat. Try another argument. Try another argument.
Please apologize.
That is not fair. Navika, you are not letting me speak.
Please speak.
Anand Ranganathan was given half an hour to speak, to sermonize everybody. This is not fair.
Why don't you... Now, Navika, this is outrageous. This man was given his scheduled time to speak.
Okay, Anand, allow him to make his point. I'll give you time to rebut him. Complete your point, Ashutosh.
You can't be so touchy. Every now and you side with the government, and you have a habit of rubbishing everybody. Did you ask Amit Shah why Braj Bhushan Saran Singh did go to the jail? Did you ask Amit Shah? Did you ask Narendra Modi why Amit Shah?
Is this going to go on?
No,
this man going to be exposed every sentence.
No. So Ashutosh, your anger is towards Anand Ranganathan.
Yeah.
Your anger is not towards the Trinamool Congress government. You have no question to ask on a Sandesh Khali debate to Trinamool Congress, but you have only questions for Anand Ranganathan.
I think if you have decided not to let this stick, I will not.
No, but I'm asking you. I'm not going to give you 10 minutes to make a rally speech.
I'll keep quiet.
नहीं आप बोलिए ना. But come to the point. Besides Anand Ranganathan,
I can't answer the question which you want. I have my own reply.
So make your point, my friend.
I have seen hypocrisy of the government and I have seen hypocrisy of the media and Hathras. I have seen the hypocrisy of the government and the media in Kuldeep Sengar. I have seen the hypocrisy of the media and in Braj Bhushan Saran Singh. Not a single question was asked to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amit Shah. And every question is asked proud. It was called as a political tourism. It was called as a photo op. Why this monkeyness? I also want to know this. There's enough.
Now, can I rebut, Navika? Can I rebut, please, now?
Anand, if you will not, I'm not speaking. You speak. I'll keep quiet. This is height, yaar. You spoke for 10 minutes.
Train छूट जाएगी यार.
No.
You've taken 10 minutes.
आप 10 minutes.
Do I not have a right?
Complete your point. Now I'm counting. I'm giving you 45 seconds more. Please make your point.
But Navika, before I could speak, Anand Ranganathan jumped. Before I could speak, you jumped. My question is very simple. आज तक ब्रज भूषण शरण सिंह जेल नहीं गया है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट के इंटरवेंशन के बाद उसके खिलाफ एफआईआर दर्ज हुई है. भारत की उन महिलाओं को जमीन पर हंगामा करना पड़ा. उनको उठा के खींचा गया. उन्होंने हरिद्वार जाके अपना पदक देने की बात की. उन्होंने अपना अर्जुन पुरस्कार वापस लौटा दिया। तब इस सरकार को शर्म नहीं आई, तब आनंद रंगनाथन को शर्म नहीं आई। संदेश खाली का मुद्दा इसलिए उठाया जाता है क्योंकि आप बार बार विपक्ष को टारगेट करना चाहते हैं, बार बार विपक्ष को टारगेट करना चाहते हैं, उसको डिस्क्रेडिट करना चाहते हैं। पूरी पॉलिटिक्स हो रही संदेश खाली के बाद। अगर संदेश खाली इंपॉर्टेंट है तो ब्रजभूषण शरण सिंह भी इंपॉर्टेंट है। अगर शेख शाहजादा अगर खतरनाक है तो ब्रजभूषण शरण सिंह भी खतरनाक है। क्यों उसको अभी तक बीजेपी ने सर बर्खास्त नहीं किया? क्यों उसको अभी तक गिरफ्तार क्यों नहीं किया गया? क्या कारण है उसके पीछे, बताइए जरा मुझे।
इजाजत है, अब अगर मुझे इजाजत है, मेरा ये इंटरव्यू है, कुलदीप सेंगर का नाम लिया गया। मैं कुलदीप सेंगर का इंटरव्यू आपको दिखाना चाहती हूं क्योंकि शुभांकर ने ये सवाल उठाया, ये सवाल आपने उठाया। नहीं नहीं नहीं, आप अब टची क्यों हो रहे हैं? आप अब टची क्यों हो रहे हैं? क्योंकि आपने सवाल उठाया, मंकी बिजनेस कहा। वेल देन यू शुड, व्हेन
पूछा गया क्या? नहीं पूछा गया ना, अमित शाह से सवाल नहीं पूछा गया, नहीं पूछा गया अमित शाह से सवाल।
इस परिवार को निम्न स्तर का परिवार कहा कि नहीं कहा? आपने कहा कि नहीं कहा? आपने कहा कि नहीं कहा? हिम्मत है तो जवाब दीजिए, हिम्मत है तो जवाब दीजिए।
जी हेलो,
ये देखिए, ये उत्तर प्रदेश के एमएलए हैं उन्नाव के, ये आपके कैमरा पर बैठे हैं। इन पर आरोप है कि इन्होंने 16 साल की लड़की का बलात्कार किया। उस लड़की ने जब रिपोर्ट 1 साल बाद एफआईआर दर्ज कराने की कोशिश की तो उस रिपोर्ट से इनका नाम हटा दिया गया। और उस लड़की के पिता ने जब ऐसी कंप्लेन करने गई तो उसके पिता पर इनके भाई ने प्रहार किया, उनको मारा पीटा और उस पिता की मृत्यु हो गई। आप दोबारा इनके ईयरपीस लगाइए, हम कोशिश करेंगे, वापस जाएंगे कुलदीप सिंह संगेर के पास। सवाल बहुत हैं, इन्होंने इस परिवार को I want to ask you next time you make allegations about monkey business of media, think again, and certainly not to me, Ashutosh.
Navika, you are showing me the interview of Kuldeep Senger. Show me the interview of Amit Shah with the question were asked pointedly why Brajbhushan Saran Singh was not arrested.
Wow. So you are my teacher and you will set the question paper and I will come and answer. May I ask you, then I will also ask you, Ashutosh ji, that you have worked in big television channels. When you raise the question of जाति हमारे मीडिया में कैसी है, मुझे बताइए, आप तो एडिटर रह चुके हैं ना, कितने जाति देख के आपने कितनी नौकरियां दी थी? कमाल है आशुतोष जी, आप वही कहेंगे जो आपको सूट करता है और संदेश खाली की डिबेट को पूरी तरह से डाइवर्ट करने की आपकी जो कोशिश है वो आज व्यूअर्स देख रहे हैं। बट विवेक श्रीवास्तव, दिस इज नॉट अबाउट मी, दिस इज नॉट अबाउट आशुतोष, दिस इज नॉट अबाउट यू, दिस इज अबाउट women of Sandesh Khali.